To shoot video content in extreme conditions, you need a high-quality action camera that is well suited for fishing, traveling, motorcycle, and vlogging. Thanks to the water-resistant housing, the action camera can shoot underwater and in other places where your smartphone would be useless. Choosing among the best action cameras is recommended not only for those who want to have a tool to collect memories but also for content creators who are unsatisfied with standard quality but seek the best for video recording and taking photos. To help you make the best product choice, we have collected the top of best action cameras of 2023, most of which are with stabilization. Let's get started. Insta360 One RS 1" 360 edition. First up, we've got Insta360 One RS 1" 360 edition action camera. As its name suggests, this module combines 360-degree video recording with the quality and performance of 1" sensors. The new Insta360 One RS 1" 360 edition is compatible with both the One RS Core and the original One R. However, Insta360 has reconfigured the whole package to achieve a vertical design in the style of the Insta360 One X and One X2, with a new battery and a case that keeps all modules together. In this case, the camera is armed with two 1" sensors capable of recording 360 videos with 6K resolution at 30, 24, and 25 frames per second. It is also possible to reach 50 frames per second in 3K. It is also possible to capture 21-megapixel photos in DNG format. The image quality is good, and it is certainly a leap forward compared to other 360 cameras from the firm. The 1" sensors come into their own in high-contrast situations, as well as in dim light and indoors. It also affects Insta360's flow state stabilization technology by having sensors that are more sensitive to light, the videos are sharper, and the digital stabilization process is more precise. So you can enjoy all the advantages of 360-degree video stabilization, reframing in post-production, change of formats, selfie stick but with a plus of image quality. Keep in mind that unlike other modules of the firm, the new camera has IPX3 certification. It is resistant to splashes and rain, but it is impossible to submerge it. The kit that includes the new 1" 360 edition module, the One RS Core, the vertical battery, and the cover to mount it all will cost $799. Insta360 One RS 1" 360 edition is an ideal action camera for 2023. GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPro introduced the Hero 10 Black, a flagship action camera with a high-performance processor and a new video stabilization system. The appearance of the GoPro Hero 10 Black does not differ from the previous model. The back panel of the GoPro Hero 10 Black is covered with a touch screen. On the front are a lens and a small display for selfies. The lens received a waterproof and dirt-repellent coating. You can dive with the camera to a depth of 10 meters. GoPro Hero 10 withstands serious drops and shocks. The user can shoot in extreme conditions. An unusual characteristic of the GoPro Hero 10 case is that it is free of plastic. The company cares about nature and has decided to reduce the use of toxic materials. The Hero 10 model has received the latest chipset that breaks all records. The GP2 delivers smooth yet fast shooting. The improved camera features a photo resolution of 23 megapixels. Video quality is 5.3K at 60 frames per second. The GP2 chipset is high-performance hardware. The user can shoot in slow motion in 4K format. It is worth noting that the frames cut from the video will be in 15.8 megapixel quality. Hyper Smooth 4.0 is the latest stabilization technology that helps you shoot videos under extreme conditions, such as when cycling on a mountain road or skydiving. GoPro Hero 10 smooths out any fluctuations. The capacity of the lithium-ion battery is 1720 mAh. It is enough to record several short clips of the highest quality. GoPro Hero 10 action camera is a great option for travelers. It does not take up much space and weighs only 153 grams. When choosing an action camera with 360-degree shooting, we recommend GoPro Hero 10 Black. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. Chinese action camera manufacturer Insta360 has unveiled its new action camera with interchangeable lenses Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. According to the company, the new Insta360 One RS Twin Edition is a logical development of the Insta360 One R, which was introduced about 2 years ago, and has a modular design. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition has a modular design that consists of 3 main parts: a battery, a processor, and 3 interchangeable lenses. The Insta360 One RS can act as both a traditional action camera and a 360-degree camera. The camera has received a new 4K boost lens module with a 48-megapixel sensor that supports 6K widescreen video at 25 or 24 frames per second. In addition, the Insta360 One RS offers a new, active HDR video mode. Insta360 claims that it will apply the HDR effect smoothly and almost minimize the ghosting around objects characteristic of this mode. The camera is waterproof according to the IPX8 protection class and allows you to dive to a depth of up to 5 meters, but only in a new mounting bracket designed to simplify and speed up the switching of camera modules. The bracket allows you to install wind protection for the microphone and effectively dissipates heat. If necessary, Insta360 can work as a web camera. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition is also an excellent action camera suited for vlogging, traveling, motorcycle, and fishing. Akaso Brave 8. Next up, we have got Akaso Brave 8. The Akaso Brave 8 is a mid-range action camera that has very good specifications for its price. It has 2 color screens, unlimited recording time, records at 4K 60 frames per second, and is waterproof to 10 meters without a protective case. As usual, action cameras are shaped like most action cameras. It's quite a bit smaller than the GoPro 10. To give you an idea, the GoPro 10 weighs 153 grams, 33% more than the Brave 8. The outer part of the case is made of hard plastic and rubber. Build quality is good, but it's a step below premium brands. On the back, you have a medium-sized touch screen, 2 inches. And on the front, you have another smaller screen, 1.22 inches, perfect for framing selfies. In the front part, you also have the lens and its protector that is replaceable in case it breaks. Touch screen sensitivity is very good, improved over previous models, and on par with or even better than GoPro cameras. The Brave 8 is capable of taking 48 megapixels or 12 megapixels photos. As for the quality of the photographs, they have a really good quality in terms of sharpness and colors. The dynamic range is also quite good, although the camera does not have an HDR function to get a more dynamic range in extreme situations. The batteries of the Brave 8 have a capacity of 1550 mAh. You can record about 35 to 40 minutes at 4K with normal stabilization activated. DJI Action 2. For our last pick of the day, we shift my focus to DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 is an action camera with a compact body, a modular design and decent recording quality. The best inexpensive action cameras with good video quality are built on a 12-megapixel lens with a wide 155-degree field of view, which allows you to capture more objects in the frame. DJI Action 2 camera with electronic stabilization and video recording in 60 frames per second or spectacular slow-mo 240 frames per second in full HD quality. The Action 2 comes with a neck strap that attaches magnetically to the camera, and in turn, calling it wearable out of the box isn't too hard. The DJI Action 2 main module is water-resistant up to 3 meters. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules allow you to quickly transfer the footage to your smartphone and carry out settings from it. Also, you can broadcast a picture in real time on the phone. Setup is simple, pairing is no problem. You can also watch videos on the device because it has a pair of speakers and a 1.76-inch screen. Its power comes from a 580 mAh removable battery. You want the smallest and smartest action camera. With its modular design, incredibly compact form, superb finish, and overall great in-hand feel, you love using the DJI Action 2. The action camera weighs only 56 grams and has a modest size, making it convenient to take with you on any trip. DJI Action 2 action camera is a real bargain for your money. Hopefully, you've enjoyed it, and we appreciate you taking the time to check it out. We hope that you can find the best action camera that is best suited for fishing, traveling, motorcycle and vlogging. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos in the future. Thank you for watching.